Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be fixing something in the coating. The truck was coated with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light in December. It is now Memorial Day weekend, 2020. So the coating's been on for about 6 months. And it doesn't appear to be a typical high spot because it doesn't have that, oily, rainbowy look to it. It's actually white, and it looks like a wipe mark. So it could 100% have been during the coating process. The owner maintains the truck with CarPro Reset as a regular wash and Bead Maker as a drying aid. So we're going to use our new scan grip light here. And I'm going to see if we can see it. You see right in this area here, you can see there's a wipe mark. Let me see if I can focus camera. Okay, so you see it right there, right in this area here. There it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to tape off the stripe, because the stripe runs all the way down. So I'm going to tape off the stripe, and we're going to try to remove it with a porter cable and a 3-inch Rupes yellow pad and some finishing polish. And if not, then I'll go to the Lake Country microfiber cutting pad and some Menzerna FG400 and compound the bumper to remove the coating, and then we'll have to reapply it to this section. It's kind of a good deal that it has the stripe on it, because it breaks up the bumper, or else you'd need to polish and recoat the entire bumper. I just washed it and did a little bit of a video on updating the coating. So we've got Menzerna 3500 on the yellow pad. We're actually going to prime the pad in the spot where the mark is, to prime the pad, and then we'll reapply 2 small dots, and then we'll polish. So we almost forgot the tape, so now we're going to add 2 dots and go ahead and polish. Okay, so as you can see, the mark has been removed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and polish the rest of this side of the bumper. Alright, so we're back on the GoPro here, and the entire section of the bumper has been polished, nice and smooth. We took off the tape. We're going to reapply the tape before we recoat this side. The stripes have the coating on it as well, so we just want to make sure that there's no moisture from the wipe with CarPro Eraser underneath. Make sure it's dry, reapply the tape, probably tape up around the headlight and the fender there, just to be extra precautious. Okay, so we have a pipette, we have our Crystal Serum Light, and we have a Rag Company Pearl Weave towel. I'm wearing a glove on one hand, and we have a CarPro microfiber suede to apply. So this is about how much it took to coat this entire vehicle. I would say, I don't know, a little bit more than a third. So you'd be able to get 2 Durango size vehicles out of one. I believe this would be a 30 milliliter. It is. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake, and I'm not going to be using an applicator block or anything. I'm just going to be using the pad. So we're going to get a little bit the pipette. As you can see, we have some product. looking for any high spots like the one we just got rid of, the Gtechniq definitely wipes off very easy. It's very slick to the touch, and I think we have made a successful ceramic coating repair. So I'm obviously going to kind of watch this area on this vehicle to make sure the coating did take. Obviously no exposure to free-flowing water for 24 hours. It's going to go back into the garage, and that's it. So if this video helped you with perhaps an issue with an existing ceramic coating, perhaps a ceramic coating on a vehicle that you purchased used, or maybe the dealer applied something, or if maybe you just made a mistake and made an oversight on your own vehicle. It happens. Luckily, with the right products, you can fix it. And yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.